Speaking of technological advancements, did you know that ROG Phone 3 that we recently unboxed has a secret 160 hertz mode? So the flagship characteristic, the big time spec on this device, is the refresh on the screen coming in at 144. They hope to sell a lot of phones to gamers at 144, even though you can't play that many games at 144. I have found a handful of games that you can unlock the frame rate and get there. But this takes it a step further. Apparently with a simple command in ADB, you can unlock the option in your settings to go beyond 144 all the way up to 160. And if you play one of those titles that does have an unlocked or uncapped frame rate, you can actually run it at 160 as well, which is just insane for a phone.
Yeah.
It's absolutely insane. And I think, I'm just speculating here, I'm guessing the reason it's not enabled by default or advertised is it must just wreak havoc on the battery. Mm-hmm. And it must just heat up like crazy. I don't know. But there must be a reason, because you would think if you could claim to have the fastest display, because there are others at 144 now, that you would do it if your display was capable of 160. And in fact, XDA ran the tests to make sure they could actually get games running at that rate, and that the display is actually displaying it.
Did their phone blow up?
Absolutely. They're not here anymore. It's one of those viral Instagram discovery page clips where the phone explodes and everyone jumps. Oh my God. Yeah. So anyway, if you're serious about mobile gaming, go in and run the ADB command at your own risk.